Have you ever used this feature to actually save your time? Probably not, right? Today's video is all about one really useful Google Chrome feature that most people completely ignore. So here's the thing. Whenever I need to find anything specifically related to mobile, I prefer using my PC instead. Because honestly, it's just easier to open multiple websites and compare stuff side by side. But once I find the exact page or product I want, the hard part begins: sharing that same link to my mobile. Yeah, I know. If your accounts are synced or logged in, it's kind of easy to send, but personally, I never thought Google actually had a built-in feature for this. And that's where this Chrome feature comes in handy. You can instantly share any link through a QR code. Let me show you how. First of all, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to More Tools, and inside that, click on Customize Chrome. Now it'll open a side panel. Scroll down a little and you'll find Toolbar. Click on that. You'll see a few handy options here, like Search with Google Lens, Translate, Create QR Code, and more. For now, just toggle on Create QR Code. Once done, close the Customize Chrome tab. Now, for example, let's open any website. I'll open my channel link here. Look at the top right corner and you'll see a small QR code icon. Click on that, and Chrome will automatically generate a QR code for this page. The cool part is you can save it as a PNG image if you want to keep it for later, or simply scan it directly from your phone. This feature is actually super useful if you don't want to mess with bookmarks. You can just generate QR codes for your favorite sites, save them as images, and whenever you need them, just open and scan. Boom, you're right on the page. And nowadays, most smartphones already have a built-in QR code scanner, some in the camera and others in the Quick Tools menu. If not, you can easily download one from the Play Store. There are tons of free ones available. In my case, my Realme phone already has a scanner, so let's try it. And there you go. See how quick that was? A few clicks and you've shared the link from PC to mobile instantly. So yeah, that's one of those simple Chrome features that actually saves time. And I bet most people never even tried it. Even I didn't realize it existed until recently. But now I'm actually using it to save my favorite links and videos as QR codes in a separate folder. So whenever I need them, I just scan and open. No login, no sync, no hassle. That's it, guys. I hope you like this short and time-saving trick. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.